You run a solar business? Then you probably know how fast things can get complicated as you grow. When your company starts to grow, juggling projects, inventory, and customers with basic tools just doesn't work anymore. ERP is the solution. Such a software brings everything together: projects, sales, stock, finances, and more, all in one place. So all your teams work from the same data. ERP is a one source of truth for solar or other renewable business. You can automate daily tasks like invoicing, stock updates, emails. Now your team can focus on customers, not paperwork. ERP keeps everyone aligned, from scheduling to procurement. No more missed deadlines or lost information. Such a software gives you structure to scale. New teams or branches can follow the same proven workflows without losing control. ERP helps make all reports and compliance simple. Everything is tracked and stored automatically. An integrated ERP and CRM connects your sales and operations, so every project runs smoother and customers stay happier. One of the best ERP examples is OpusFlow. It was built specifically for installation companies of solar and other renewable technologies. In this software, everything from quotes to installation and automation is in one smart system. With ERP, your business becomes more efficient, reliable, and ready for growth without the chaos. Want to learn more? Read the full article on our blog, opusflow.io/blog, and see how ERP can help your business scale with confidence.